Hey friends, if you encounter the error no boot disk has been detected or the disk has failed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command chkdsk space / r space / f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. But if you're using an HDD drive, I think that it is bound to fail. Obviously, you can try a check disk scan if it helps you. But if it doesn't help you, then I will suggest you to buy a new SSD drive. And this is the norm these days. I mean, all newer computers have it. If you have an HDD, I will obviously recommend you to change it. Now, one may ask, how much does it cost? Not much in comparison to the cost of your computer. And it serves as a severe bottleneck. So I will simply search for the SSD cost. Okay, internal, not the external one. Okay, so we can buy it on Amazon, and these chips don't cost much. I mean, it just costs around $10 or something. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.